Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and geometry. The topic today is about we need to find the center and the radius of the sphere. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by number 2. Next, I will put 2x goal here. Negative 2y I will put in here. Next, we need to add number 1. That means we need to minus number 1. This one we need to add number 1. That means we need to minus number 1. This one we need to add number 4. That means we need to minus number 4. So this one in here, we have negative number 9. Next, I will put negative number 9 go to the right. This one, that is about identities. So we have s plus 1 to the power of 2. This one, we have y minus 1 to the power of 2. This one, we have z minus number 2 to the power of 2. Now, we have the formula in here. So, the center that is about ABC and the radius that is about R in here. So, for this one, this is about positive number 1. That means A equals to negative number 1. This one we have negative number 1. That means B equals to number 1. This one we have number 2. And the radius in here. So number 9, that is about 3 square. So R equals to number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.